The US and China are at it again. Tariffs, trade tension, billion-dollar threats flying back and forth. While these two global giants are locked in a battle, India is sitting in a sweet spot. An Indian exporter, you are in a position to make serious money if you act now. Let's break it down. Trump's comeback with a bold move. In early 2025, Donald Trump returned and so did the tariff storm. He announced a 10% tariff on every single product imported from China. Electronics, clothing, machines, everything. And for some high stakes categories like electric vehicles, steel, aluminium, 60% tariffs. His reason? Unfair trade. China's been taking advantage. It's time to protect American jobs, said Donald Trump. But this move sent shockwaves through the global market. China did not sit still. China raised their own tariffs on US goods from 84% all the way up to 125% on products like agriculture, energy, medical supplies, and more. Now, both countries are stuck in an expensive, ego-driven tariff war. Businesses in both economies are paying the price and looking for the exit. Big global brands are shifting gears as well. This trade war isn't just politics, it's shaking real companies. Apple is now flying iPhones out of India to avoid tariffs. Shein, the Chinese fashion giant, is facing delays, rising costs, and sales dip. Nvidia, their stock took a hit due to export restrictions and instability. And behind closed doors, boardrooms, everyone is asking the same thing. Is it time to move out of China? Here comes India. As global supply chains break and companies search for alternatives, India is showing up as a smart, scalable, and stable solution. What we bring to the table? Skilled labor, world-class products, fast-growing export infrastructure, and most importantly, trust. If you are selling jewelry, home decor, fashion accessories, skincare, electronics, accessories, or textiles, the world is ready for you. What should you do right now? This is not the time to play small. List your products on international marketplace, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, Shopify, everywhere. Get your shipping sorted. Use platforms like Ship Global that makes cross-border shipping smooth, affordable, and stress-free. Own your brand story. Made in India isn't just a label anymore. It's a selling point. So I've already given you the marketing strategy. Global buyers are actively looking to move away from China. Be the alternative they are searching for. The world is shifting. Are you ready for it? Is the question. While the US and China throw punches, India has the chance to rise. This trade war could slow them down, but it can launch you forward. The question is, will you just watch this play out, or will you turn this global chaos into your next big opportunity? So if you're ready to go global, write export in the comment section below, because Ship Global provides you lower rates, clean paperwork, and full support. Happy shipping. For more information, visit shipglobal.in.